Here we are in Zagreb, a capital full of charm where medieval alleys intertwine with Art Nouveau avenues, colorful rooftops, Baroque facades, and cafe windows tell 1,000 tales. We wander between the upper town, with its hills of Gradec and Kaptol, its old stones and elevated viewpoints, and the lower town, where blue trams glide along the wide boulevards of the lower town, weaving past majestic parks and ornate facades that preserve the city's timeless Austro-Hungarian elegance. We begin this stay with dinner at Mano 2, a refined address located in the city's dynamic district. In this contemporary setting, the cuisine draws its roots from Croatian tradition while reinventing itself with boldness and technicality. It offers dishes from both the sea and the land, notably quality grilled meats for a subtle and mastered balance. The next day, the Art Hotel provided the perfect start to our day with a delicious breakfast. It will be our home base for the next 2 days, a true living gallery nestled in a historic Art Deco building. This establishment pays a vibrant tribute to the Croatian artist Boris Buchan, whose original works elevate the rooms and common areas in an interlacing of art and design. We then set off to stroll through the upper town. Our walk begins on the Gradec Plateau, offering a panorama over Zagreb. Before reaching the iconic St. Mark's Church and its famous glazed tile roof, we pause at the Lotršek Tower to admire the view, then cross through the mystical stone gate, illuminated by the glow of votive candles. Down below, Ban Jelačić Square vibrates to the rhythm of Advent decorations. We prolong this moment on Tkalčićeva Street, where colorful facades on a bohemian spirit invite us for a final urban stroll. At every turn, the city reveals its soul, a subtle blend of tradition, architecture, history, and winter conviviality. For the lunch break, we head to Pod Zidom Bistro, an address that perfectly embodies Zagreb's conviviality. The restaurant welcomes us in an atmosphere that is both intimate and vibrant, a true gourmet refuge for the morning chill. The place immediately seduces with its warm setting and sincere approach to gastronomy. Here, they celebrate modern bistro cuisine that gives pride a place to fresh ingredients from the nearby market. It is the perfect occasion to relax over creative plates and discover a fine selection of Croatian wines. The afternoon invites us to move from tasting to action by joining Kuhauna for an exclusive masterclass. In this workshop dedicated to culinary transmission, we put on our aprons to dive into the heart of Croatian gastronomic heritage. Guided by passionate chefs, we learn to prepare traditional dishes, discovering the techniques and secret spices that make up the soul of local cuisine. After this gourmet immersion, we return to the inspiring atmosphere of the Art Hotel for a well-deserved break. We head up to the rooftop bar, a true jewel of the establishment. It is the ideal spot to sip a creative cocktail while admiring the panorama over the rooftops of Zagreb. Night has already set in, and the city is fully lit by the lights that stand appearing at twilight. We leave the cocoon of the hotel to join Zinfandel's restaurant. This journey transforms into a truly enchanted stroll. Our walk takes us through Flower Square, which is beautifully enhanced by its famous festive decorations. The atmosphere becomes fairy-like as we cross Zrinjevec Park, where the trees sparkle with 1,000 lights. We finally pass through the doors of the mythical Esplanade Hotel. In this setting of timeless elegance, dinner at Zinfandel's reveals itself to be a culinary symphony. Local ingredients are sublimated by a bold, cosmopolitan touch. The service, with its impeccable choreography and the exceptional wine list, make this meal a memorable highlight. Rested and a restorative night, we start the day with a desire for escape. We set course for the foot of Mount Medvednica, for a spectacular ascent aboard the modern cable car. Arriving at the summit of Sljeme, the brisk air invigorates us instantly. At the foot of the emblematic TV tower, we improvise a memorable photo session facing the breathtaking view over Zagreb. Having descended from our perch, we rejoin the heart of the city to awaken our taste buds at Takenoko. This unmissable address, hailed by the Michelin guide, offers us a gastronomic interlude of great finesse, blending Japanese techniques and Mediterranean flavors. The afternoon plunges us into the heart of the Advent magic in Zagreb. We stroll among the wooden chalets, captivated by local craftsmanship and lisitars, those famous red gingerbread hearts. To crown this festive atmosphere, we begin with a comforting cup of hot chocolate before putting on our skates for a few laps on the large open-air ice rink amidst the twinkling lights. To bring this trip to a grand finale, dinner awaits us at the prestigious Dubravkin Put, proud holder of a Michelin star. Nestled in the forest valley of Tushkanac, this establishment offers a setting where contemporary luxury dialogues with nature. In a hushed atmosphere, the chef orchestrates a modern Mediterranean cuisine, precise and bold, enhanced by an exceptional wine list. It is on this note of excellence that our escapade ends. From the vibrant art of the Art Hotel to the summits of Medvednica, Zagreb has revealed to us a soul that is at once warm and sophisticated.